because the spotlight, so I go start from the first things. I go normally waiting people go talk, say, oh, it's cliche or whatever. And because now the first time we do on top of the show, I guys ask them those questions. And I know we're streaming live. Please, digital, signal me, where are we? Good guys. So with the stream live, so if you watch my guest in the building, all right, find us YouTube, Facebook, to figure this conversation. If you also send in your own question. But first things first, I guys ask you about your genre. The one way you say you did very comfortable with. I know say you more like a chilled kind of song, and then you also get energy because they hard for somebody who they chilled like that to also get the kind of unique vibe and energy where they come with them. I want also know about your how music been start with you.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So just now you just asked me like 17 questions. So you go pick the one where you want me to answer first.
Yes. How music been start with you?
Okay.
And then the kind of genre they're very comfortable with and why.
Okay, make we start with...
Yes.
Because my brain know they work too fast. So, make we start with the first one. I started music in like 2011.
Okay.
Now, the first time where I record something. But I started taking it seriously from like 2012. From 2012, now when I know say, okay, now my office be this.
You want to do music?
Yeah.
All right. What you be they do before that 2012? School?
I was in school, like...
Yeah.
I did school, like even when I start music, now school where I did, you understand? So I be did school with my guys, then they do music, you understand? And me, I know two sabi book like that. Now only football I they play. Then my mom come call my school.
Yes.
Because say I know they do well for school. I did boarding school for London. My mom come call my school, come tell them say me they don't let me play football again.
She been thinking that waiting they distract you.
Yeah, but no be that. I just know no book. So
you think say you just don't know book? I know they like put your mind for book. Because with your kind of music, somebody when don't know book, no feel they make them.
No, you see, so knowing book and being like intelligent is different.
All right.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Thank you.
So but you're right actually.
Yes.
Because to be honest, if I
put your mind
if
to
I
them.
put my mind to him,
Let's imagine
for Isam.
Let's imagine saying that for that secondary school where you did, or your mama just come out you from there, put you for music school. What's going to happen?
I go pass now.
So what
now
are you
my
saying?
passion. Exactly. And now where I'm getting to.
Yes.
Do you understand? So she come to school, she come tell them and say, Omo, my boy they mess up for school. No play football again. Make it just the facing book. I come start to do music in that free time because now England things work in a certain way.
Yes.
Do you understand? You know, my mom if you just come tell them say make I do extra class. It's not possible. Do you understand? So I had a lot of free time.
Yes.
So during that free time when I meant to be doing sports, I started doing music instead.
My boy, you pack talent too. From football, now you for the
I for day.
Mom, see that calm down.
Exactly.
But it still happen. It still happen through music.
Yes, destiny. You know if you stop.
Yes.
You feel me?
Wow,
So,
I love this.
Yeah. So that's how it happened, man. So I just carried on from then, and the journey has been sweet, man.
So waiting be Popsy's own side of the story. Waiting in talk when all these things they happen.
Popsy, I mean, both my parents, to be honest, they very, very supportive. At first, they just talk, say, make you just finish school first. Before if you want to try it, if you want to go fly, if you want to go dance for moon, whatever you want to do, just finish, go school first. So now it's in talk with that, but they've been supportive. They don't understand like that at first because when you get vision, now only you will go fit see the vision. Anybody where you want to try explain the vision to, the only way you fit explain to them now to show them. Do you understand? So it's by the actions. So I just had to prove myself to them that I get this talent. So maybe you might not know, but I get time for body. So gauge, do you understand, and support. Yeah.
Now, okay. Now your kind of music they're very unique. I know it's not they talk about.
Yeah.
Now when it comes to within some Nigerians they call or tech kind of music. You'll be one of the people where they for front. If we get people where carry placard, they represent this thing. You'll be one of those kind of people.
Yeah.
Tell me where this love being start from.
Okay.
Tell me who be the inspiration where they behind this thing for you to feel great and also recognize the other kind of music.
Okay, so first of all, I will first tell you say the Alte P. Now we actually create that that name,
the
Alte.
name,
and what is supposed to represent now freedom to express. Do you understand? Now wetin Alte mean? So it no be a type of music. Now the way you live your life, like the way you express without boundaries.
So it has to do with the fashion, the lifestyle, the music, the kind of connections and in communication with other people.
The lifestyle you live, you know, the kind of show way they do.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Most artists know they see me for show.
Yes.
For Niger. Because I they do a different kind of show. Do you understand what I'm saying? They put on our own shows, things like that. So it's just about freedom to express without boundaries. Do you understand? So the Alte thing, most people are just being themselves.
Yeah.
There's no fugazi, there's no be say you go to try be like person who you know be.
Or try copy someone or try say this person don't blow, make I also do
exactly. Or fake it till you make it, all those ones.
Yeah.
It's genuine. That's it. So all the music really come out from my mouth. Now representation of myself. Now who I really be, you understand? Now the kind of music, now the kind of sound I like. So now everything I they do, and I know say plenty people did this world where they like them. So you know, I know if you just conform. Yeah.
And they do shows from different places
all over the world.
around the world, and people also they like it's massive, huh? So I guys try to also figure. I know from time to time I read one or two things about you. I'm like, okay, so people are doing their own thing, and then they know they follow. Or if I know release song today, because now I'm going also talk about the level of pressure where they're in the industry. I really want to make you explain to me how you they feel to be part of the movement, like a movement. But people that come from different aspects of they're holding different sides to this movement. I want to know how you they feel to be part of this, taking the African kind of sound or just going global generally. And then also want to make you talk to me about the Nigerian music industry. If there's anything like that. I know there's no there is actually people who pioneer these things and everything, but I want to make you talk to me about the Nigerian music and how the artists they're under pressure to release songs back to back to back. But they're like that in different other places in the world.
I feel like say for Niger artists, a lot of artists them not they genuine.
Okay.
Now why? Nigerian artists love to follow trends. Do you understand? So you find that fans are fans of the song, not the person, not the artist.
Oh.
Do you understand? So they are fans of the song. So because of that, now just song you won't hear new song. So them they feel the pressure. I have to do this follow this new trend. Do you understand? Make I drop music, follow this new trend. Okay. Tomorrow they are doing a piano. I have to go and drop a. So yeah, it's a constant chase. You're like a hamster on that wheel.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? But for me, I just feel like once you find your lane.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Occupy your lane. Nobody fits. When you do your own lane, do your thing, build your catalog, build your fan base. You'll be happy. So many artists also know, say, wetin you they talk now. How they get it? See, can I also say here? I've been mentioned, say, it be my first time to talk to you on top of the show, but I they feel the kind of Vector vibe, even though when I do different kind of music. Oh, I like Vector. When you like him, you see. Actually, he did. He is so intelligent. Yeah, he's intelligent. And when he did it, I know I end the interview. So, because this now artist where be say go fit ask any question at all. Yeah, of course no. And he's so relaxed. So you like him. Yeah, so when you go do song with him? Well, actually, he sent me something like maybe a month ago. I'm in the spirit. He might be vexing for me actually. Oh no, don't because I traveled, so I haven't yet done it. Please buzz him today. I go buzz him, please. Because I like Vector a lot. Yes. I'm the one that went to him. I'm like, bro, I love your music. This particular, because he has different sounds that he can do. Yes. He's very versatile. Yes, he is. And so, I also send him a message to tell him, say, you were on the show today. So, now me we go meet and say, I beg, make we do something. Do you understand? Like, make I do one hook for you. Now, everything I go tell him. So, I hope say you know the vex for me. They see say people, they meet people, they do hook. You how many times I they beg this DJ? May I do one hook for this DJ?
The DJ no rate me for industry.
You don't know wetin go make you blow for this
You
life.
see, now if you be saying that my hook go give this guy.
You don't know whether na the hook will just.
I don't give a fish. My hook go give this guy fish. They down me. All right. Lagos, welcome back. 95.1, your Chukmouth station. And you're still on top the spotlight. I get BOJ with me in the building.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lagos. I know say you dey enjoy the conversation. I'm a bo. Now it's not like. Chacha, low-key, they love the guy. Low-key, they love him. You better not love him low-key. Love him loud. Hi, Chacha Smith. The way you used to laugh, they always make me laugh too. Well done. BOJ. Somebody said they want to know the meaning of the name.
Blood of Jesus.
You see?
I'm joking, Shabo.
So people low-key, they run heavenly race now. No.
Blood of Jesus.
But that's what it is, though.
That's what it is.
So make me talk about this group. I know about this group, this DRB, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want to hear about them. Just tell me what's
About
up. What's
you
up?
guys.
About you guys. DRB Las Giddy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
What a guan.
So DRB are just three extremely correct guys. We get vision. And we just be pioneers.
What you no get for that group?
Nothing.
I get everything.
Touch far and wide, worldwide, international.
Now don't close the group.
How? Never.
Other people they feed join.
Oh, as in people feed you. No, you don't close. No new friends.
No new friends are needed. No. You guys open this group. Anything don't ever happen for this so many years when I don't know myself now. Anything don't ever happen we threaten the relationship.
No, not the relationship. Never.
How about the music?
The music, yes.
Okay.
But the relationship always stayed the same.
Huh.
The only thing that happened was we broke away from our management.
Yeah.
And we're still friends with them till today.
What thing caused that breakup?
What caused it to? Misunderstanding. Misunderstanding, miscommunication. You know, and now we don't move past it, and now all of us were working with each other in different ways. Do you understand? Now the guy they managed me before, they manage us. We they do business together, they make clothes together, me and the guy now.
Wow.
Do you understand? So there's still things, you know.
Enviable.
Yeah, bro.
I love it.
Trust me. It's about staying in your lane and knowing your role.
And also respecting each
other and letting we move with love. Do you understand? When they argue,
yes,
we know they argue to prove points. They argue
to find solutions.
Exactly. To understand.
And that's friendship.
Yeah, that's it.
Nobody want one win. Nobody want answer.
We know what's going to make each other vex. We know what's going to make happy.
Respect day.
Yeah, respect day. So
but I never meet any Jessica who will come spoil.
Never. That one.
Yes, it don't happen before, ba.
Never.
So no girl don't ever make una clash.
Never.
What if it happen?
I can't see how.
Yeah.
I genuinely can't, unless maybe if one of them go, it can't happen.
What if it happen?
Make them kill me. Make one of them kill me or kill somebody. I don't know, but I don't know.
But you don't see it happen.
I can't see.
I love waiting I they hear from you, really.
Honestly,
because you go see brothers go just back. Waiting cause problem. This one go talk say hey, my wife now. This one go talk say this one happen. My mother, my brother.
Nothing.
Wow. In this industry.
Yep.
People where the same mama, the same papa no born.
Yep.
Whole relationship like this.
Yes, sir.
Guy, I'm jealous.
Yeah, man. You should be.
But aside from this family where you get, because I don't call this one friendship anymore. This family where you get any other person in the Nigerian music industry where you rate or see as a bestie to you?
Yeah.
Who be that?
Say, outside them, I'll say Ajibota. I would say Olamide.
Bado.
Yep.
Awesome.
Those are my close guys, like that I can call on the phone.
Awesome.
Apart from my guys. There are plenty of people. In fact, I hope they don't hear this interview. But
they go hear them. You better mention them.
But those are the ones that I'll say.
You don't mention the first two. Like me now. If anything, like they anywhere, they you get first, second, third, not like that. So
don't worry. My friends, they know themselves. They no go. If they vex, they
Guy,
go make up
they're
later.
too wise. They're too wise. And that be the issue here. You're being too wise is the issue here. So
I don't even think that's another thing. I don't think too much before I talk.
so
I
it's
know
in
the
you
talk.
now. It comes
the
like now
talk.
one brand where the talk is in you. Abi. You know that much for them now. All right, Church, I'm enjoying this conversation. Yeah, I'm telling you for free. Even me, like I get to hear all those things. Now, you get any other thing where you they do will be like a hobby to you, where you love so much. Aside, and don't tell me football, right? Aside from music, any other thing where they give you the level of joy where music they give you.
The level of joy. The only thing that gives me.
And they lose your voice. And
The only
listeners-
thing where they give me that same level of joy and maybe more than my madam. That's all.
Awesome.
My madam, my family,
Awesome.
like my immediate family.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really have that many hobbies. I dey play game once in a while, like FIFA or GTA.
Yeah.
I dey watch football, but you say me cannot talk that one. I dey record. I dey studio all the time. I dey studio all the time. I also I dey do other things behind the scenes in
You dey
music.
cook?
Nah, I know they cook.
You know Sabi?
I sabi cook small, but I know they
Go
cook. like
learn
that.
now. The what favorite chef na guy?
Yeah. I don't doubt that.
Yes,
It's
now.
not even about that.
Okay.
It's just
But
about.
what will be your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is very, very basic. Jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
That's my favorite.
So
Jollof rice.
So if Ghana people come here, they go flow them quarry.
I go chop their jollof rice too. I like
You don't
them.
chop. You don't chop their own before.
Yes, I go
What
to
do you
Ghana. I
think?
go to Ghana all the time.
Yes. What do you think about Ghana jollof rice? And
I like it, but I have to eat it with that shito.
Yes.
There's something shito.
Yes, the
I have
pepper.
to eat it with it.
Yeah.
Because their own jollof rice is kind of bland. It's like plain, very,
Yes.
very basic.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Now why that shit all they did?
Yes. Do you understand? But when you mix it right,
Yes, with the kelewele and everything,
Bruh.
and that fish. I choose.
it makes sense, man.
Yeah, but I know go still green. They don't know sweet pass. All right, so
Because we
moving
have variety.
Yes, you get me, and the taste bud. And
Yeah.
all. So make we talk about now the Afro beats.
Yeah.
So the S is global. Everybody they talk about them. Everybody one power am. Everybody one follow for the people where follow singer. So I want make you talk to me about the Alte music and Afro beats. What be they get any difference? They get what be the other similarities or just try
So-
balance things for me.
I feel like in this kind of situation, the lines are blurry because with, like I said earlier, Alte, they describe the sound of the music.
Okay.
Everybody will just, because they don't see some people where they dress like this or dress like that or they do like this or do like that. They just class everybody as Alte.
Alte.
But if you go listen to everybody's music, you go see, say, some of them they do rock, some of them they do R&B, some of them they do soul, some of them they do Afro beats. Do you understand? When you actually go and listen to the type of music where they hear, that's what you go find out. Do you understand? So I don't know. And yeah, just with genres in general, because Nigerians, we they take things, we they draw inspirations from everywhere and put it together. Do you understand? So in one Afrobeat song, you feel hear hip hop, you feel hear R&B, you feel hear juju or do you understand?
Jazz self they there.
Do you understand? Jazz self go there inside.
Yes.
Inside
Are
one
they here?
song. So that's why. So it's blur. I don't yet know how to class the sound of the music because it's so everybody's own. They're different. But then they just class them under one genre.
Awesome.
So I don't know.
Now, what make we talk about the ladies? I go like make you tell me maybe if off the books, if you just talk say okay, just do collaboration with this person, that person, that person. Give me top 3 for you.
Whew.
For the ladies, yes,
For
I
the
caught you.
ladies?
Yeah.
Sis, I don't do my top 3. Oh no, remaining one. Where I never do. And now Asha. So Asha is my top, one of my biggest inspirations. I used to listen to her a lot when I did grow up. Now Asha I did hear from my mom's car, from my pop's car. So I like Asha a lot. Now she way I want do music with. I never do it. But before that, like Amare, Tiwa Savage, Thames, Fave. I like Fave.
Fave, awesome.
There's so many. There's so many.
You actually there are around waiting I be the thing.
Yeah. So, but I've worked with all those people.
Yeah.
Do you understand? I've worked with all those people apart from apart from
Asha.
Asha.
Yeah, we could talk about your body of work now.
Yep.
This particular one, the Too Bad, na single.
Yeah.
Okay, so are we expecting, the year, I don't know, Nigerian election can be like, say, it make us no, say the year don't they run.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, did you vote?
No, I did not. I wasn't in the country.
Okay.
But to be honest, make I no lie.
How you feel?
Make I no lie. I never get my PVC.
Okay.
And it was because of the process, because of how long it was.
Yes. Frustrating.
Yes. So I just wasn't able to get it.
Okay.
And I always travel, so I'm not always around.
Yeah.
But this election don't show me, say, we get voice, so.
We
get voice.
Yeah.
Do you understand? We don't see, say, like, these old guys, they don't they shake. They don't they feel the pressure now. So I feel like they're on their last legs right now.
Wow.
That's what I feel. So I feel like this election, even though it didn't go as well as people wanted it to, but I feel I saw progress. Not with the body, the governing body of the elections,
Yes,
or anything, but with Nigerians. I saw progress with Nigerians, and people, they want things to change. I can see it now clearly. Like, everybody don't tire.
yes.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
So I feel that that's progress. And based on this election, next year, I say next year, 4 years, I
Yes.
will definitely vote 100%. I will get my PVC based on this. Just knowing it don't show me, say, we get voice and these people don't this. They are scared now. I don't they see young people too want step into those positions, filling those roles. I don't they see young people joining conversations, trying to understand.
Yes.
Because before we know they send,
happen.
we know they
You know
send.
concern us
We
before.
know they send, but now
where the problem been there
exactly
then.
now is affecting us.
So they shock them, say, I don't consign them now.
Exactly.
Awesome. So
Exactly.
we could talk about the video for Too Bad. When you don't do the video for this
No,
one?
I never do the video,
Yeah.
but I get lyric video
Okay.
out right now.
Okay.
From with the YouTube.
Yeah. And then the social media, people see them and say that the best thing will happen to people where they do music
Yeah.
at this time. And I know they're glad about
About waiting.
people where they do music.
Okay.
now.
Yeah.
Yes, they said now actually one of the best things will happen
Yeah.
because the way we say you go there anywhere in the world, drop it and then it goes.
100%.
And I know you're glad about that.
100%. 100%, because it cuts out a lot of, middlemen.
Yes.
So just go directly to the
Yes,
people.
it goes directly so the people get the sound,
Yeah.
get the song, and their vibe to around.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's been a great time. I wish that I really get more time to follow you talk. And
Same,
actually, the first interview, and I tell you for free, I love it. I love it.
Thank you
And
so much.
the people, digital, I know say you go make this interview available because whether they do music or not, you guys listen to
That's what's up.
BOJ because now
100%.
something where we say you get knowledge to share out. Now moving on. How be the best way for people to stream? Because yes, that streaming is very important.
100%. Please stream. You fit stream on every platform.
Anywhere.
Any platform. You can just put BOJ. My fine picture could just come back.
You send my picture, my fine picture. This guy.
Yeah.
You never really talk the real meaning of BOJ.
To be honest with you, now just nickname my friend.
But isn't that
My
blood
real
of-
name, I don't add blood of Jesus because it's flowing through me. It's evident. Do you understand? But my full name, my actual name, na Bolaji.
Bolaji.
So I get one friend when I did school. She just give me that name, but she just start calling me Bodge.
Bodge.
So
A girl or a boy?
a girl.
A girl.
Yeah,
Where's
yeah.
she now?
I actually don't know. I think she might be in Lagos. I think I see her for somebody's story the other day.
And she go just the laugh, say, see the name. Where she go call.
Yeah. Every time I see her, she go remind me, say, let me give you that name.
Oh, awesome. What's happened to your hair? Have you things I know to talk about?
About my dada.
Yes. Why
I
you
don't
cut?
cut them now.
Why you cut her?
Two things. I started dating somebody. I didn't think she liked it.
Okay. Is that your madam?
Yes, that's my madam now.
Ah.
And this happened.
Madam, what you go do you now? We could change our lifestyle because of you.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't tell us that she don't like this teeth again today, madam. I know you might be listening, madam.
Yeah, but she no tell me say she no like him.
She been complaining about.
She no even. I just always notice me. Whenever she see me, maybe she go try adjust them.
Oh, so sweet.
Or they try.
I want to find this love. I want to find this love.
So I just say, don't worry, make them easy for you. Make I just.
Oh, so sweet. So you're this sweet. Now people.
I be lover boy. No hear the song with this.
Joy. Somebody said, Cheche, don't let him go. We love him already. I know you guys will love him. And of course, I see my Cheche at the sing. Ask BOJ if he go sign me. Oh, you they sign new people.
They sign people now.
You they sign?
Yes, so.
Wait too. You go do freestyle. When it DJ Indo, now I know toxins.
Ma
go break.
Freestyle?
You go do freestyle before.
I know they freestyle.
You go freestyle before.
I know be freestyle artist.
Jesus.
Trust me.
Which kind of BOJ be this one?
I be person we know exactly what I feel do.
Jesus. I love this guy. But make I take that break and they come back because we need to hear. Please, we'll hear that song once more and then it will be time for us to wrap up. Yeah. I love people where they blunt. But like, so to something off when I say don't let him go. But you guys go. Of course, you go catch the recap of these segments in different places. We'll go put them up. BOJ has been a wonderful time.
Yes, it has. Thank you so much.
Yes, hope so you enjoy your time.
I enjoy them.
All right.
Okay.
And of course, where do people go follow you on social media platform? Anyway, when I know say they always run out. Any like tour coming up soon, whether around Nigeria? No, but I know they ever do tour for Nigeria. Maybe outside the country, right?
Yes, outside the country.
What are they do? At least from Gombe to Zamfara, or I go call do Abia, do Oshun, do a different place. Why? Tell me why Nigerian artists no they do tour for Nigeria?
For me personally,
yes,
my music I dey go see. I dey use my back end.
Yes.
I dey see where the numbers dey, and I go there.
Oops.
I go to where people they listen to me.
You know, say if you know they study music, they know how music they do for the world. You know what they do all this thing.
Because some of us be independent artists, so now where the money dey, we dey find them. Do you understand? Where the people dey, we dey go.
But they suppose they call you for as a music tutor.
Yeah, as a music tutor.
Yeah, like when aside from the business of music, not to talk about.
That's the thing. If you put me on the spot like that,
yes,
then my mind will just go blank.
Oh.
When I now know that it's something, but if we're like having a conversation, I feel just
Wow, I like this. You understand the business, and I like what you just talked. Now, Cheche, I don't want him to go. I love him. Okay, you follow him on social media platform. I'll be the best way to follow you.
Yeah, on Twitter you can reach me at BOJDRB. That's BOJDRB. Right. On Instagram, if you reach me, BOJ on the microphone. That's BOJ on the microphone. Mm-hmm. And on TikTok, I just joined TikTok now. So
you did?
Yeah.
But your fans don't do there since now.
They don't do there since, but I know feel they do dance.
you know sabi dance?
No.
Why?
So now I feel move, I feel groove.
You never put effort.
I sabi dance before. Now me be class captain for dancing.
So what thing gonna happen? Why?
I grow.
So you mean people that dance now they never grow?
No. No. Shout out Pokoli. Shout out all my dancers. This is me. I'm not Tolani Badge. Shout out all the dancers in the building.
You're not Tolani
Badge. Shout out Tolani Badge, though. That's my guy. But shout out to the dancers too.
Yes.
Let everybody do what they love, man. That's what you gotta do. Everybody out there, just keep doing what you love.
But
make
they say
you do what's in
grow up.
No, I didn't say make you grow up. I say me. I outgrew dancing. Now you see happen. I started to sing. I never enter Insta blog or anything before. I know.
How do you keep it? How you they keep this thing? Because it's not like you they do your thing, but how you they try to stay away from trouble. Is that on purpose?
It's on purpose. I hate too much attention. I do not like
but
it.
You're a star. You can't remind me of Sia. You don't like attention, but you be superstar.
I be star. Make I just shine. All the stars we did for Sky, they just shine. Nobody, they don't disturb anybody. They don't disturb anybody. No, they cause any wahala. They do their own day.
I like your mindset.
Make I shine. So
you never get any clash with anybody for Twitter?
Oh, for Twitter?
Yes.
I don't abuse some people, but maybe I go say sorry after the conference. I'm serious. But yeah, man, I know
you don't run from trouble. No wonder. So they cover them up. No worry. Make other people not bring you out one day. Okay. All right. So yeah, and really, thank God say we'll talk about trouble now. That's like the last thing we'll talk about here. I don't say Don Jazzy don't come out and talk say, oh, there's nothing like streaming, whatever. Kind of is it cultivation or agricultural
streaming farm?
Yes.
Maybe he's talking about his he
say day because if he what of his own artists were not really they do number one all the time. But
because him they use them.
But he day?
Of course, bro, he day.
So people they cultivate for this.
I mean, I know. Wait.
BOJ.
Yes. Because wait, let me think. Because I did talk without thinking. So let me think if I answer this one.
Okay, hold on now. Take a deep breath.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are people where they arrange them. They arrange them.
So he did.
Maybe Don Jazzy doesn't do it. He probably doesn't. For him to come out and say,
he say nothing like that.
That means he doesn't play that game. Which I give him shout out to him because I'm all about genuine, real.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? So shout out to him. But people they do them. People they run.
People they do them.
Yes. People they run.
But what do you think about that kind of lifestyle?
It works for some people. It works to some extent.
But is that success?
Personally, exactly. Success is relative. Do you understand? His success can be different from what I think success is. What you think success is different from. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's relative. Some of them, that is the pinnacle of success. Do you understand what I'm saying? Me, I feel it's more gratifying when I see real numbers. Do you understand?
And say this thing are real.
But what makes me laugh is that some of these people then go no say then they do streaming whatever, but it goes they still enjoy them. I don't understand.
Knowing that this thing now
is not real. How you will fit enjoy? I don't know. Anyway, everybody's different.
And some people where they do this thing.
I know people. I don't know artists where they do them.
But you know people where they arrange.
I know people where they arrange.
BOJ sure say you don't know artists where they do them. You feel no? I don't say like you tell me.
I swear to God,
just not you know some Abi.
I suspect, but they never tell me say then they do them.
Off mic, you go tell me the people where you suspect. Off mic.
No.
No, later I won't finish it. I'll be now. You
go
just tell me now.
Never.
Oh, BOJ, no now.
Never ever. Sis.
Okay. Masha, you better say no. Right? But I no go talk about.
I genuinely believe then they run on.
Wow.
For sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
What do you think say go be the future of Alte music?
Like I said to you before, Alte will be a type of music.
Yes, I understand.
But I feel yes, I know what you mean.
Yes.
I feel like the Alte scene in general has been very influential to the mainstream, and I think it will continue to be influential. It's something that is just too cool. You know, if it's just ignore them.
But if
everybody around the world,
we know it's cool. Everywhere around the world, people that try come into them, but there's no like this rush to Afrobeats.
Yeah, because
because
they still class outside there.
Yes.
There's no difference. Everything, once you're from Nigeria, now Afrobeats.
You've answered that question. Yes.
Do you understand? Once you're from Africa, it's Afrobeats.
No, mind me, I just find trouble.
No.
BOJ, thank you so much for you come inside the building. Particularly, I've been enjoying this time. Lagos, you go get the, watch the recap of this particular segment on YouTube and on Facebook. Wazobia FM. Find us in different places. BOJ, that's your long dreads. They make sense, but man, change, I'm sure.
Clean now. I'm on a clean pee now.
All right. Somebody say, I love you. When are you coming to Sweden?
Sweden? Okay, yeah, that's exactly.
It's a checking back end.
Now, Sweden is somewhere where I did go.
Wow.
Do you understand? Because I get people for there. So I'm going to go there.
Where get people? You get people everywhere now.
I get people for a lot of places, but there's still places where gas touch.
You get people for Ukraine?
I get people for Ukraine.
Russia?
I get people for Russia.
Ah.
Yeah, I got people for Europe. It's interesting. It's actually very interesting.
It is.
For us to be here, you just press.
Music is a universal thing,
and it's everywhere. Like,
and then
crazy.
for the sound. Thank you so much, BOJ. I enjoyed this time. All right.
So did I, man.
Chook Pounds. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.